Yes guys, we are back. So it's 11th of September. Obviously videos have slowed up again. So we are out today, high tide, high winds, 40-mile-an-hour gusts, westerly, 9.6 meter tide. So yeah, what can I say? Let's go and have a look at it. Recently been told by my pain management psychological people to pace and rest, but rest so I can literally do something that will put me in a good headspace. So obviously doing this puts me in a great headspace. So for the last week all I've done is rested. So today I'm going to go out, hopefully get some big wave action. Might get a little bit wet, don't know. Some decent photos that we'll tag on to the end of the video from my NJ photography page. So yeah, let's go out and see what we can find. It's a cloudy, very windy up here at the top. Started to get splattered with spray off the waves already. I can hear them smashing on down there. So yeah, should be interesting. Let's go and see what we can find. So we've made it safely down to the bottom, no problems. We're tucked away nicely out of the wind. Well, as out of the wind as we can be, I suppose. And yeah, there's some big waves crashing out there as well. So it should be quite a show. So the first wave gave us a proper spanking. Some massive waves getting thrown over now. As you can see, we are on dry land. We are safe here. The waves get kicked round to the right hand side off the go-kart track. Let's throw it out some big ones, as you can see. Safety first, always.
hell.
Typical, it's absolutely tanking it down. Sun's shining, the wind's blowing, but it's raining. So we're back in the car, a little bit damp should we say, but quite happy with that, to be honest with you. Got some decent wave action, loads of photos. Yeah, I'm in a decent frame of mind. Just want to address one thing. It really wound me up yesterday, and to be honest with you, I shouldn't really get on my soapbox, but to all the idiots yesterday who was celebrating the death of Charlie Kirk, I mean, come on, guys. Yeah, all right, you might not agree with what he does, or you've got different views and stuff like that, but really, man loses his life, shot brutally through the neck, in front of his wife, in front of his kids, and all you can see online is, yay, yay. I mean, it's fucking pathetic, it really is, excuse my French. But yeah, we'll leave it on that. A lot of people need to take a look at themselves if that's the way that, if this is the world that we're in when we're celebrating a man getting shot in the neck in cold blood. Pathetic, really is pathetic. So that's that addressed. It has been on my mind for the last 24 hours, to be honest with you, since we've seen the video last night. But yeah, we'll leave it at that. Photos at the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Another Wild and Wellbeing with Neil. Keep smiling. I know I'm trying.